My inbox used to control my life. 3,700 unread emails. Notifications every few minutes. Constant stress and guilt, but no real progress. So I decided to try something crazy. Build an AI email system that clears my inbox in 5 minutes a day, without deleting important emails or replying all day. And after only 48 hours, my inbox went from completely overwhelming to inbox zero. Today, I'll show you exactly how to build the same system, step by step, using only free tools. Most people don't have an email problem. They have a decision problem. Every email forces a choice. Reply? Delete? Mark later? Ignore? That decision fatigue crushes productivity. The secret isn't reading faster. It's letting AI filter and decide for you. Step 1. Bulk clean your inbox in minutes. I connected my inbox to Clean Email. It scanned everything and grouped emails by sender, topic, and type. With one click, I removed newsletters I never read, promotions, old notifications, auto-generated emails. Instantly, my inbox dropped from 3,700 to 290 emails. This alone freed hours of mental load. Go to cleanemail.com. Connect your email account. Use smart folders, bulk delete promotions, social updates, newsletters you never open. Keep only what's meaningful. Start with decluttering, not replying. Step 2. Create automatic sorting rules in Gmail. To prevent my inbox from filling up again, I created free Gmail filters that automatically sort future emails so they never pile up. Inside Gmail, I clicked Settings, Filters and blocked addresses, Create New Filter. Then I created rules like if email contains unsubscribe, skip inbox, mark as read and apply label reading list. If sender is boss or client, mark as important plus star and label as priority. If email contains receipt, invoice move to finance label. If notification, skip inbox. Now 70 to 80% of new emails sort themselves automatically, no daily cleaning required. This is how my inbox stays clean forever. In Gmail. Settings, Filters, Create Filter. Add 3 rules. 1. Newsletters, skip inbox plus label reading. 2. Notifications, auto archive. 3. VIP contacts, star plus mark important. Automation equals freedom from inbox stress. Step 3. Create auto-reply templates using ChatGPT. Instead of writing replies manually, I created reusable templates for common responses. I pasted 5 typical email types and asked, write short, polite reply templates for scheduling, follow-up, declining, thanking, and information requests. Now replying takes seconds instead of minutes. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT. Save 5 reply templates in a document or signature shortcut. Replies now take 5 to 10 seconds. Step 4. The 5-minute daily email routine. The key is never reopening full inbox chaos. Every morning. Open priority folder, reply only to important emails, 3 to 4 emails, open reading list only during breaks, everything else is already filtered or automated. No scrolling. No inbox safari. No doom checking. The results. Before this system, my inbox felt overwhelming and stressful. Important emails got buried, and I was constantly interrupted and behind. After setting it up, email became simple and calm. I could clear my inbox in minutes and focus on real work again. AI didn't reply for me, it removed the chaos. Today, do just this. 1. Bulk clean your inbox. 2. Create 3 automation rules. 3. Build 5 reply templates. 4. Use a 5-minute timer for email daily. If this video helped you even a little, hit the like button, it really supports the channel. And if you want more practical systems like this, subscribe and turn on notifications. Before you go, comment 0 below if you're committing to trying this system for 24 hours. Let's grow together. See you in the next video.